Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to make sushi for lunch. So to start with, you'll need a pot with a lid, and I've got a cup here, and I'm going to do 2 cups of sushi rice. 1, 2. We need to rinse that rice, so I'm going to run water through it and just rinse the starch off. Give it a bit of a whirl around. See the water's a bit white, sort of chalky looking. So we're just going to rinse that off. I'm going to add 2 cups of cold water to the rice. And you're going to place a lid on the pot, and we're going to pop that on the stove to cook. And once it comes to the boil, turn it down and simmer it, and that's going to take around about 20 minutes. As you can see, our rice is ready, good to go. All the water's come away and it's nice and soft and cooked and not gluggy. We're putting the sushi, I'm just using the sushi seasoning, and it says to put 6 spoons in for 2 cups. So I'm just using a dessert spoon. It says a tablespoon, but I think a dessert spoon's fine. And you just want to mix that all through the rice, and that gives it that yummy flavour. I've just got one of my baking trays which I bake slices in, and I just put a bit of tin foil on there and put the rice in, and then I'm going to flatten it out and we're going to let it cool down. And with this size tray you'll get 4 sheets of sushi, and it's quite a nice thickness. It's not too thick, not too thin, but it's important for us to let it cool down before we make the sushi. So we'll just let that cool, and then we'll come back and put it together. Our rice is nice and cool, so I'm just going to cut this into 4 little bits. Got a sushi sheet here. So if you put it on tin foil, it just peels off quite nicely. And a trick, if you have wet hands, the rice will spread easier. So I've just wet my hands and then just push it. So it's quite even, and you want it so it's like this, so it's coming together. You don't want it loose, otherwise it's all going to fall to bits. So in our sushi today, my kids like carrot and smoked chicken, so that's what I'm going to do, but you can add cucumber, capsicum, whatever you like. Just got some smoked chicken there, do a row of that. And then I don't have a sushi mat, I just do it like this and it comes out fine. Just want to push that around, and you want to roll it. So roll it nice and tight, get it all in together, and then just does a little roly-poly. So that's our first sushi roll. Right, so I've got the 4 rolls rolled, got a very sharp knife here, and then I'm just going to go in half, and there's our sushi there. There you have it. That's 4 lots of sushis, and that will feed the family for lunch. Hope you enjoy.